Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the airbag in this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To access the battery, there's a little cover right here. There's a lock right here. This one looks like it's broken. This cover should fold up. It doesn't, so I'm just going to set that aside. I'm going to take a 10mm socket and a ratchet. I'm going to loosen up the negative terminal right here. You always want to loosen up the negative terminal. Take that off, set it aside. So we're going to take the airbag off. We need to find this little hole underneath the steering wheel. The only reason I turned it was so that you could see it on the video, but I can normally have it straight up and down. And we're going to take a blunt object. You can use a 3mm Allen, seems to work the best. You want to slide it into that hole, and I'm going to just put my hand in front of the airbag so it doesn't go flying. I'm just going to push. There's like a spring in there, and the airbag will just slide out. Now we're going to disconnect the airbag right here at this connector, and then we'll disconnect this connector for the horn. Just take a right angle pick. Just going to slide in here, this little lock. Pull that lock down, pull that connector out, and try to hold this while we disconnect this right here. Slide up on that, and we're going to place the airbag in a safe location facing upwards. We're going to take the airbag. We'll connect these connectors right here, and then this connector is going to go here. Push that in like that. And make sure the wires are out of the way. Line the airbag up and just push it down. Now we're going to reconnect the battery. Take the negative battery cable, slide it over on the battery. Take the 10mm socket and a ratchet. Just snug this up. And then just shake the terminal, make sure it's tight. And if your door is still attached, you just slide it down. And lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.